Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Do like and subscribe.
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss a question. We have given a range of number from 0 to n and we have to find out Fibonacci series of it using recursion. Formula for this question will be Fibonacci of n is equal to Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. So we will code this and we will use here recursion logic. And in recursion we have some base cases. Here our base case is when we have 1, then we will return with 1, and another base case is when we have 0, then we will return with 0. And if our base case is not found, then our function will keep executing in the recursion mode. With formula So let's check with some input and find out Fibonacci of that. So let's find Fibonacci of 5. So as we said, Fibonacci of n is equal to Fibonacci of n minus 1. So here we will calculate Fibonacci of n minus 1. So we will write Fibonacci of 4 and Fibonacci of n minus 2. It means Fibonacci of 3. We will do first n minus 1. So Fibonacci of 3, and here Fibonacci of 2. Here also Fibonacci of n-1, so Fibonacci of 2 and Fibonacci of 1. Here Fibonacci of n-1, so Fibonacci of 1, and here Fibonacci of 1, 0, n-2 is equal to 0. And as I said, our base condition is when n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 0, then we will return with the number. So now here Fibonacci of n-1, so Fibonacci of 2, and here Fibonacci of n-2, so Fibonacci of 1, here Fibonacci of n-1, so Fibonacci of 1, and here Fibonacci of 0. Now here still we not found our base condition, so we will keep calling our function in recursion mode. So Fibonacci of n-1 means 1, and here Fibonacci of n-2, it means 0. At the end, in all the number, we reach to the base condition, so we will return. Now here we will return with the number 1, and here we will return with the number 0, and we will do the summation. So here we will have 1. Now here we will have 1 and returning with 1, and further we will return with the summation. So here we will return with 2. Now here we will return with the number, it means 1. Here we will return with 0. Here we will return the further summation of n-1 and n-2. So here we will have 1. Here we will return with 1. Here we will return with 0. Here we will return with the summation. It means 1 plus 0 is 1. Here we will return with number. It means 1, as we are in base case. Here we will return with the summation 2. Here we will return with the summation 3. Summation of these two. And in the root, when we are doing summation of these two, then we will return with 5. So Fibonacci of 5 is 5. as our formula says, Fibonacci of n is equal to Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci of n minus 2. So let's code this question. Define get Fibonacci. And we will have number here. So first we will check for the base condition. When it reached, then our recursion will stop. Every recursion has a base condition. So if n is equal to 1, then we will return with 1. If number is equal to 0, then we will return with 0. Else we will return with our function Fibonacci of number minus 1 plus recursively call Fibonacci of number minus 2. So let's check with some input. N is equal to suppose 5. Response is equal to get Fibonacci. We will pass an N here. Let's print it. So let's run this code. Now we are getting 5 as we expected. So now let's print the series from 0 to n. Now our n is equal to suppose 10. So we will iterate a loop for I in range of n 0 to n, and now we will take our response again here, get Fibonacci of I. Now we will print it. And we will say it to not give new line and give a space instead. So we will write end equal to a space. Now comment the above code and let's check it. So now we are getting 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So we are getting as we expected. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching.